everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you're going to see is a swipe and spin painting, but unfortunately you guys won't see the whole thing because Amanda here forgot to hit the record button. I had swiped the entire painting, then I looked up at my phone and the screen was black. So the only thing you guys are going to be able to see is me spinning the painting and tilting the painting. So to make up for the lack of video for my process here, I wanted to show you guys the colors that I'm using and let you in on a brand that I'm really liking lately. And it is this right here, this Lukas brand. I don't think it's a new brand, but it's kind of new to me. I've been playing around with it now for probably about 5 or 6 months, but I really like it. It works really well with swipe and spins, and it works really well with gradients when I do my gradient Dutch pours. So the colors I used in this order were Steel Blue, and then we have Mulberry here. That's a really pretty color too. And then the third one was Sedona, this kind of burnt orange, and then Apricot Light. And this is really pretty, you guys, when it dries. So now onto the painting that you guys are going to see today. I love this, you guys. This is probably one of my favorite ones that I've done in a long time. So really loving the colors on this, love the lacing. I mean, it looks really cool. I love these colors together as well. So the formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. I have online courses available at crystalcoastoriginals.com, and if you're interested in purchasing my paintings, I have them in my Etsy shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.